In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can create a PDF. That said, the reason for you to stay all the way to the end is because we're going to be looking at other features that are not of the Google Colab notebook. Let's get to it. I've already chosen an environment here. Runtime, I chose a B581 TPU. It already pre-warmed it up, so it's going to be a lot faster than if we hadn't done it. While I'm installing the libraries, you can take a look that there's a few compelling reasons to do this. The other part is, why should you have a PDF? A lot of PDFs contain content that really comes in useful. And you can verify them, query them, search. Instead of going page by page, you can just use this tool, go and access this information. While we were talking, I quickly went through, and you can see the code that we installed some libraries, transformers. We called a local of time element. We created our tokens, and we created a pipeline. Then we wrapped it up in LangChain and printed the model is ready to me. Now the part comes which we have to upload a PDF. I'm going to choose a previous PDF that I've shared in the past called Golang AI Production. If not, check it out on LinkedIn. It's been successfully uploaded, and now we're going to extract text from the PDF. I am running this def, calling the path, setting the text and the context, and finalizing by indicating that I was able to get some context from it. You can see that we have some details that are shown in here, very brief. All that is positive so far. Now, it's time to take a few questions into the equation. I'm running this definition to query the video. Then I'll ask a question, which is, I'm going to be printing the question and the answers. And then I'm going to ask another question. Well, that is happening. I'm going to create code, and we're still after this. And I'm going to start typing here a couple of examples of what I can do. Addition. When we wait for the target answer, I'm going to ask, is go what it? Then the other one I ask is, why use? You can use Golang. So the question is this one. The answer is going to be answer number 3. Question will stay the same. Actually, we're going to do is question 3, just to keep things well organized and named. And then question 4, yes, 4. So people display this. So here, we have all this ready to go while we're waiting for the response. You can see we already are getting some answers. What is the document? The document's title, production name. And it is a piece of how to become an engineer assistant. This is the summarizing of the main points in 2 sentences. Go is an attractive alternative to Python research and production. Great. The responses are online. And here's where we mention we're going to have some additional questions that we have not mentioned. So I'm going to run asking this go. As you can see, we just made those on the fly. We have the question 3, answer 3. And then question 4 is, why use Golang? Those were the original. No. When we're talking about it, you're going to see that you can query these items. They can be different. Sometimes you might have to wait a little bit longer depending on the size of the documents. This can save tremendous time because you don't have to look for this information. It's already there for you. And that's the whole idea of automating. It makes it easy to automate these processes. Saving you time, hours traveling. Not giving you process down, even how many questions or summarizations you're going to require in the document. And here we go to the first part. What is Go is a high-level general purpose to run encourages simplicity and it keeps. That is an accurate answer. we're waiting for the last one. There's this question query. Now you're going to get wireless goalie. And while we wait, we can see the summary. In this little the answer, we proceeded to upload a PDF. We extracted using PDF Cleaner the content, and we used load only. As small as it is, quite effective, as you can see. And we get the final answer. Why use Golang? Because Golang is an efficient honest language designed for insurance. Proper answer. So there you go. We quickly can query PDF, obtain a summary, ask 2 more questions such as what is Go and why use Go. All of this was performed with what is called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a real-world pattern that is used by many AI agents themselves. So, what are the takeaways? Use this as needed. It's part of the algorithm. You can localize it, modify it to your needs. All about that. In the next video, we're going to be looking at AI webs, keeping it on. And here are more resources for you. LangChain, TinyLama, in case you're curious about PDF Plumber, Pappy, and dougortiz, and I'll see you in the next